Indulge in the warm, cheesy goodness of Brazilian Pão de Queijo, an extended recipe that brings a taste of Brazil right into your kitchen. Pão de Queijo, or Brazilian cheese bread, is a beloved snack known for its unique texture and rich flavor. Start by preheating your oven and preparing a baking sheet with parchment paper. This ensures your Pão de Queijo will bake evenly and not stick. For the dough, combine milk, water, and oil in a saucepan and bring to a boil. In a large mixing bowl, add tapioca flour, a gluten-free starch. That gives Pão de Queijo its characteristic chewy texture. Pour the hot liquid mixture over the tapioca flour, stirring vigorously until you get a homogeneous and slightly cooled mixture. Next, add beaten eggs gradually to the dough, mixing well after each addition. The eggs are crucial for giving the bread its light, airy texture. Once the eggs are fully incorporated, add a generous amount of grated Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. These cheeses provide a delightful depth of flavor and gooey texture. Season the dough with a pinch of salt to enhance the cheesy taste. The dough will be sticky and soft at this point. Lightly grease your hands with oil, and start shaping the dough into small, round balls. Place them on the prepared baking sheet, leaving space between each ball to allow for expansion. Bake the Pão de Queijo in the preheated oven until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden color. This usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes. The key is to bake them until they have a crispy exterior but still maintain a soft, stretchy interior. Serve the Pão de Queijo warm, straight from the oven. They are perfect as a breakfast treat, a snack, or as a side with your favorite meals. The combination of a crispy outside and a soft, cheesy inside makes these Brazilian cheese breads irresistible. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian Pão de Queijo, a simple yet delightful recipe that brings the flavors of Brazil to your table. Whether you're sharing them with family or enjoying them as a personal treat, these cheese breads are sure to be a hit.